voltage measurement, DC regulated power supply measurement display. AC voltage measurement using transformer. Data to detect whether the line is on or off. Resistance measurement. Both sides can be measured. Capacitance measurement of household appliances shows that you can discharge force when measuring capacitance. Diode measurement. Positive and negative poles need to be aligned. Data to detect whether the line is on or off. DC voltage measurement, battery measurement display. NCV non-contact induction voltage, safe to use.
In the AC voltage range, the value jump is normal due to the influence of the environment. You can reset the red and black trace leads to 0 Hertz measurement.
Data retention can keep the current value for easy recording. Flashlight can be used in the dark